What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. We are on the next part of our vocal chain tips where we go over each effect in the vocal chain that I use, okay? We've already done one talking about a de-esser, talking about a compressor, talking about deharshing and deboxing the vocals, and then we did one about having a double or a layer on the vocals as well. If you want to see any of those videos, you can click the top right link right now and it'll take you to the playlist so you can see all of those. The next effect we're going to be focusing on is called RVox. It's another effect from Waves. Once again, I'll have it linked down in the description, but this is just going to make it louder and make it sound good, okay? So what we're going to do is just go ahead and bring that in. Once again, we're using the RVox mono, the mono version, because we want the main chorus to be in mono and our left and right chorus to be in stereo, okay? So we're going to go ahead and kind of just mess with the gate here, the gain and the compression until we get it sounding at a good level, okay? Here's how it sounds without it. It's very quiet.
Bitch, I'm way too bougie, you can't even school me. I'm swimming through the seas.
So we're gonna bring the gate up, kind of about -13 dB, and then bring the gain down just a little bit, and now we're gonna mess with the compression.
Bitch, I'm way too bougie, you can't even school me. I'm swimming through the seas while you inhaling Scoobies. I grab the toolie, aim at yours truly, man, I get it, I got it. Go and flip the bag, you can sue me. Bitch, I'm the shit, but these other rappers duty. You say you're in charge, huh? Tell me who you fooling. You shook like a smoothie, your actions be proving.
We're also gonna add another de-esser on here just to kind of clean up some more of those frequencies that are very harsh.
Bitch, I'm way too bougie, you can't even school me. I'm swimming through the seas while you Bitch, I'm way too bougie, you can't even school me. I'm swimming through the seas while you inhaling Scoobies. I grab the toolie, aim at yours truly, man, I get it, I got it. Go and flip.
Difference if we take that RVox mono off.
Bitch, I'm way too bougie, you can't even school me.
Chorus sounds behind the beat, then we put it back on.
Bitch, I'm way too bougie, you can't even school me. I'm swimming through the seas while you inhaling Scoobies.
That subtle difference really is going to help your chorus stand out in the mix, okay? So it still sounds really dry. So the next video is going to be talking about reverb and delay and how we're going to be using those, which we'll be using synths. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, you can check out all the other videos with the playlist. I have that linked in the top right. Yeah, if this video brought you value, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.